from this number of people, from you guys. But I guess you kind of just invest in whatever it is that you're interested in or happen to be passionate about. And sometimes, at least in this case, other people develop a similar passion. And then you end up connecting in this strange way. I mean, that's ultimately what YouTube enabled. It enabled this kind of two-way thing through this camera lens. I've said it before and I'll say it again. If I went to some traditional media company, to some executive at a television station, I said, listen, here's what it is. It's me, it's tech, there's a box, I'm unboxing it. No one's gonna go for it, man. They're not gonna put me on prime time. All right, it wasn't gonna happen that way. And that's why this platform is so powerful, because it circumvented all that, all the red tape. It allowed for me to just start speaking, for me to start.
It takes years and years and years. There's no such thing, at least in my experience, of an overnight success. It's just like gradual steps that get you closer to where you want to be. I only have one piece of advice to offer on this round, on this 3 million. And that one piece of advice was given to me by a guy named Roman Atwood. And it's the best piece of YouTube advice I've ever been given. And it was 3 words. Just keep uploading.
Knowledge on.
Yes.
Before I started YouTube, before like this whole career of mine kind of exploded,
Yes.
all of my friends, or a good portion of them, all said to me, don't bother with YouTube, it's way too saturated, you've missed the train, you're nearly 30, you should probably focus on something that actually has a longevity with regards to a career. Something practical, something that you're gonna actually be able to sustain and
Now some stuff to keep in mind. This whole video is about Dan and his life and the risks he took to become, well, to leave what he had and to do what he's trying to do now, but he had a really good thing in South Africa. Like, he had a good thing, he had a safe, good, high-paying job, and he threw all of it out.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. And I just got up from the sleep, and after I wake up from my sleep, I felt like I have to sleep for another hour, but I always kept rolling on my bed but couldn't sleep actually. So I have to go outside and make this video. Let's proceed. And I have to go today. I've scheduled to meet up with some people. First things first, you have no competition in the YouTube world. You have to fight with yourself, because you have to create something engaging, something different, something makes you stand out. And that's not a competition, that's your creativity to make the video different from others. And secondly, you have no boundaries. You can create anything without the offensive something, and you have all the things in the world to create. You have all the motivations in the YouTube. You can get motivated and do whatever. Third of all, you have equal opportunity as a bigger creator and you as a small creator. You can force your video to people through the SEO and other things. And if your video is view-worthy, people will watch your video, and you have to wait first. But there's nothing that the bigger creators get an advantage and smaller creators don't. It's not true in the YouTube. And last of all, and that's the sweetest part, why all the creators are joining YouTube, because of you can earn money and your creativity will pay. And if I start explaining how you'll earn money, I'll first say that YouTube AdSense is a first way to get money. For that reason, you have to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And if you don't have that much view, you can go to the local advertising agencies, local shops, and you can mail them. They have small companies. There are so many in the internet. You can ask for sponsorship and they will sponsor your video for like per 1,000 views you'll get some money from them, and you can promote their brand, you can promote your brand, you can earn money through this, and all the engagements, all the sponsorships, and everything. You can decide how you'll start earning money from YouTube. And that's the reason, that's the major reason for many big creators are doing nothing but YouTube. And that's why many highly paying job professional people are studying on YouTube. And that's the positive thing, that if you are wasting some time on YouTube, that will pay for you, that will teach you something. And the most important thing I have learned joining YouTube, that I could learn many things from YouTube. I got all the motivations, I learned about everything from YouTube. And that's why I encourage people to join YouTube and watch the videos and make your own. And in the end, I'll give you an advice, because YouTube pays you. That shouldn't be the main reason you join YouTube, because I'll say that YouTube is a complex thing. If you're into making money only, you shouldn't join YouTube. If you're into creative works and want to broadcast yourself to the world, I'll say you should join today. And many more creators like the NEISTAT, Dan MACE, and so many people are doing fine in the YouTube, and they are saying people to come on the YouTube. You're not late, you're not here in the late YouTube generation. You can start anytime, you can start now. And if you're thinking that you'll start today, start now. If you're starting today, start now. So that's the motivation from myself, that you should start creating yourself. I was very shy on camera, and till today I'm not that good, but I like to talk to my camera and say whatever I think, whatever I do, whatever I So thanks for watching my video, and I'd like to say that please subscribe my video, share this video if you got something to learn from my video. Tell your friends to watch this video, and please like this video. And if you're disliking anything, please put a dislike. There's a button, and please comment down what you're thinking about this video. And thank you all. See you in the next video.